Bro! You forgot to flush the toilet, my man! Like, my man, if you really wanted me to, I could have been it all along. Okay, now we close this. So, yeah, I guess, this is a thing now.
Fucking pog face.
Street with like some girl, the love of your life, and they go from like this really high pitched voice to just, "Hey yo, what up, my bro?"
I would be very fucking concerned.
There's something really secret that I gotta tell you. Hey yo, what up, my bro?
I would be very fucking concerned, that's for sure.
It was a misinput. Calm down.
Oh my fucking god.
Me when the skinwalker replaces me.
That thing looks like a fucking skinwalker. What the fuck is happening?
I genuinely don't know.
Fucking
Okay, we're gonna go back to
fuck was that?
for that.
Oh fuck. No.
You can't escape me, Ian.
No. That's awful.
It really is.
What the fuck?
Ba 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 ba. Yeek.
That was awful. Oh, he looked pissed.
Hey, listen here. I know what you did. I know you're the one who raided my village in Clash of Clans. Your days are numbered. I will have my 500 elixir back. And if I don't have my 500 elixir back by the end of the week, you can kiss your family goodbye.
Oh fuck.
That's right. Your family is valued at 500 elixir. You made the choice. Would you rather have 500 elixir or your family? That's right. I'm talking about you.
His
That's
foot.
right, you.
How fast
I better
his
be having my
fucking
5
mouth
elixir back.
open?
You better get it back. Or there will be consequences. You don't want those consequences. Okay, cut. Hey there. Yeah, I know. It's me again. I remember the restraining order that you gave me. I don't really care. In all honesty, I can't hold this back anymore. You see that pole over there? That's right. I brought a leash and a collar, and I'm going to tie you to that pole. Go ahead, call the cops. They already know I'm here, and besides, they won't be able to save you from what I did about you. Now you see that pole over there. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to tie you there, and then I'm going to ring you so absolutely drunk that you are going to begin to wonder if you even have that much liquid in you to begin with. They will never be able to give you enough sedatives and items to make you forget about what I have done to you. You are going to forever never have enough cum in you due to what I have done. Your limits will be lowered. You will not be able to do as much as I'm about to do to you. Now go ahead, be a good boy. Put this collar on. Tie yourself to that pole. Go ahead. Watch. Okay, that's all. Do with that as you want. Hi! It's me, Shadical! From Mr. Top Fortnite! Remember that one video I did? Don't you guys dare say Shadical was Badical. Otherwise, I will hunt you down, and you will regret ever crossing me. Now, come on, guys, go ahead and like, subscribe, and to get this dub. That was awful. I never wanted to. We should call it a night.
Probably.
Like, dear God, this was awful. This is an awful way to spend the night. And besides, you have free content for a video. For a brand new entertainment medium. Meanwhile, we use it for whatever we just use it.